हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज हम देखेंगे इंडियन पॉलिटी का फर्स्ट चैप्टर का सेकंड पार्ट, दैट इज़ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल डेवलपमेंट इन इंडिया पार्ट 2। ओके, सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। First question, 31st question is who gave the idea of Constituent Assembly firstly for the formation of Constitution for India? IS pre 1996 में ये क्वेश्चन आया था। फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इज स्वराज पार्टी इन 1934, second option is Congress Party in 1936, option C is Muslim League in 1942 and option D is All Parties Conference in 1946। तो इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन ए, दैट इज स्वराज पार्टी इन 1934। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, which one among the following is an incorrect statement about the Constituent Assembly? MPPCS pre 2012 में आया था ये। ऑप्शन ए इज इट वर्कड विद द हेल्प ऑफ a large number of committees, the most important among them being the drafting committee. Option B, minority communities like Christians, Anglo-Indians and Parsis were adequately represented in the assembly. Option C, it was elected on the basis of universal adult franchise. Option D, its electoral process was based on the 6th schedule of the Act of 1935, which allowed for a restricted franchise based on tax, property and educational qualification. इसका सही आंसर है ऑप्शन सी, इट वॉज इलेक्टेड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ यूनिवर्सल एडल्ट फ्रेंचाइज। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, मेंबर ऑफ कॉन्स्टिट्यूंट असेंबली हु ड्राफ्टेड द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया वेर? ये IAS प्री 2012 में आया था। ऑप्शन ए, नॉमिनेटेड बाय ब्रिटिश पार्लियामेंट। Option B, nominated by Governor General. Option C, elected by legislative assemblies of various provinces. Option D, elected by Indian National Congress and Muslim League. इसका सही आंसर है ऑप्शन सी, elected by legislative assemblies of various provinces. Next question, with reference to Indian history, the members of Constituent Assembly from the provinces were? ये IS pre 2013 में आया था क्वेश्चन। ऑप्शन ए, directly elected by the people of those provinces. Option B, nominated by the Indian National Congress and the Muslim League. Option C, elected by the Provincial Legislative Assemblies. Option D, selected by the government for their expertise in constitutional matters. इसका सही आंसर है ऑप्शन सी, that is elected by the Provincial Legislative Assemblies. Next question, how were the members of Constituent Assembly elected? Option A, directly by public. Option B, nominated by Congress. Option C, nominated by Indian ruler. Option D, by provincial assemblies. इसका सही आंसर है ऑप्शन डी,